I woke up this morning and my calendar was going crazy on my iPhone. And I thought I had a virus, but it actually was a subscription to some random calendar that I'm going to show you a quick way to unsubscribe and fix your iPhone. So here we go. So from the home screen, you click Settings, scroll down to where it says Calendar, you open that up, and then you want to click Accounts. And then you should see some random calendar in there. And you want to click the random calendar, right? And all you have to do is click delete account and you're good to go. Delete from iPhone and you're all set. That simple.
Watching, I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.